Do you want fix the fatal error in the Wuthering Waves? Okay, we are going to the solution. Okay, first fix. Okay, you go to the task manager. Okay, go to the task manager, and here, okay, you end the task in the Wuthering Waves. Okay, and this is the first fix. Okay, the second fix, you go to the Epic Games, okay, launcher, and here you launch this, okay, in the Epic Games. Okay, the three fix, okay, you go to the library in Epic Games, okay, and go to the game Wuthering Waves. Okay, and the 3 points, go here and go to the manage option. Okay, go here, and here you go to the verify files, and click to the verify button. Okay, and here, okay, you verify the the files corrupted. Okay, and you solution, okay, you are solution the fatal error. Okay, and bye bye.